video, we're opening the last Duck McStuffin surprise egg. Look. You guys see no more eggs, right?
Yeah, the last one from this
I'm not
box.
gonna splash. I'm not gonna make any more chocolate pieces from the floor. I see a line. I see a line. You don't need to judge me. So you do like this? Like this? Okay. I just did that though.
Should be easier.
Oh no. Oh. Yeah, that's way easier.
See what's inside.
Oh, we got the little dinosaur. It's supposed to be green. Yeah, I saw it. It's green. No, it's not. It's a dragon. It's blue. Sorry. Do you want the flyer again? Okay. Maybe not. We have to put it down there. Now listen again. Show you guys again. And then this was the second one. This was... Oh. Sorry, Mom! Oops. This was the first one.
That's what you got from the box of
Yeah.
surprise egg.
How much surprise eggs do I have?
We have a lot before. You check all those old videos and you will see
Okay,
how many eggs you
now...
got.
Bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we got 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. I'm turning off the camera. Hey guys, welcome to Audrey channel, aka myToyS TV. Today we're opening mini Cooper Kinder eggs.
Kinder Surprise. It's the German version. That's why it's written in Deutsch.
Deutsch.
I don't know how to pronounce it. Kinder blah 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 blah.
And this is the back.
Yeah.
I think
You got 4 mini Cooper.
I should break the whole box. Oh. You just slam it like this. One of them already cracked open. Really? Oh my gosh. I already know this is the ones I know. I love white chocolate, but sadly we can't eat it, right? I don't want to waste food. We have to because it's been for years. Open it for me, please. Thank you. Yay! We need stickers, do we? Do we need stickers for this? Wait, let me see. Let me see, do we need...
Yeah, you need to put on a sticker on the mini Cooper. Let's see the
How do you
fire.
put it on?
You need to read the instruction. They got the instruction here.
Can you give it to me so I can see? Thank you. Okay. Okay. Put it on this. Put it on this. And then second of all, these. And then second of all, what do I have to do? No, they only give us one instruction. They only give us one instruction.
Yeah.
Now what about the other one?
This one is just for the cover. The other one is for, I don't know.
They don't
Just
give
put
us
it copper first.
You put this?
No, maybe the
I think I
side.
wanted to put it like this.
No, maybe you can put it on the side.
No, I can't. Maybe you put it on the bottom of the cup.
Whatever.
But I already took it out. What happens? So, I think if you don't... oh my gosh. Why, this one is so bad. Why did I don't tell you the other instructions, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't even move so good. Move on to the next field. Ah! La la la. Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV channel. Now we're opening the second one. And the rest of my videos, can
Second
I
one
say
of what?
myToyS TV?
Yeah, it's the second.
Second surprise.
Yeah, we put the surprise in the fridge for a long time.
Yeah, for what? They open so good.
Yes,
Like
easy
that's
to
the
unbox
one
it.
that I was thinking when we
This is-
was off camera.
Yeah, this is a German edition, mini Cooper.
Open it. There's some more chocolate in here. Okay. Should we put the eggs out here? Maybe not. Well, we got another egg. That's
Sometimes the bad thing for Kinder is that they don't really give you that toys you want. They have something
Yeah.
else. in a box.
What the heck? Oh, how do you do this? Can do it like
You need
this.
to read the instruction. It's kind of animal adventure.
Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's an animal though.
It's some sort of German
The
things, I
head.
guess.
And then the hands. Oh. Do you have any instructions for me, please? Which one is that one? This one? Oh. I think so. Wait, this was on the other side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what? And then this one will have 3 sides. Like this. Oh, I know. It swings.
Let me see. Let me take a look at it. It's always difficult to make it. But I guess you
No,
need...
you need these 3 pieces in the middle.
No, I don't think so. You need to put them together first, maybe. I don't know.
Don't fit.
No, you don't fit.
You need these.
Let me take a look at the...
South and the other
Okay,
one.
I know how to fix it
How
now.
do you do it?
Take a few pieces. Okay. Take a look here. Here, see, 3 pieces. First one is the biggest one. This one, and the second one is right in the middle. I guess here. I don't know. I want to give up. You want to give up?
You want to?
Yes, I want to give up. It's only up. See, I want to give up.
Then give up.
I don't want to give up.
Why? You said you want to give up.
Okay, you see the numbers. They go 1, 2, 3, and B here. You see?
I did not see
3.
and B. What is B?
I don't know. It's R and B. I don't know. 1.
One.
There's 2.
What about when you flip it over 2?
2.
3. 3 must be on the top.
Yes.
Or 3 must be on the bottom or the top.
Okay.
It has to be on the top.
But here.
Yeah, you.
It's all
Crazy.
difficult toys, Ray. I don't like it. You like it or you don't like it?
I don't like it.
Now we make it.
Yay! Finally!
Yeah, I'm smart enough to make it. Hold it.
Yay! We got a little bit.
It takes us a lot of time.
What do you mean a lot of time? Just like a few
I mean,
hours, right?
No, only 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Just
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Oh, okay, so let's see you on the next video and bring in this guy. We got intruder! Bye! Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Just kidding!
Yeah, we unboxing a pack of mini
What?
Cobra.
You don't need this anymore? Oh. Mini Cooper, right?
Yeah, it's Mini Cobra.
What does Mini Cooper mean?
The
Opa?
car- Yeah, the car from England.
What about Germany? This is made from Germany. Let me try to open it this time. It's like this. They put this giant... Like this?
Try. Can you open it? No. It's too hard for you.
Yeah. It's been free, so I think there's some ice in there.
Oh,
That's
see what you get.
We got another car, finally. It's not another toy. Look.
It's a mini.
Mini Cooper. Ooh, the Mini Cooper. Let's put it down first so you guys don't need to see. What are those stickers?
This one may not have a sticker. I don't know.
They don't need this. Oh, I know now.
Doesn't matter. Not all the
Maybe
mini.
you can use the stickers from the other one. Can we please? See, there's no stickers.
Yeah, just I think you don't need a sticker for this model.
Okay, so see you in the next video. Turn off the camera.